Hello bestie, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we are on our fourth app or on our fourth series episode, whatever you want to call it. So on this one I've actually worked on this and I'll be giving my review on that within the video, so you want to watch out for that. And throughout this video again I'll be telling you that you have to do your research before you start investing in this, because you have to understand what does it take for you to be able to earn. Are you willing to do that? Is it worth your time? Is it worth all the time that you'll be investing in it? Okay, so you have, those are kind of the things that I weigh in when I'm trying to invest in something for me to get something. Like, the input has to be minimal compared to the output. If the input is more than the output, then for me it doesn't make sense in terms of the time that I'm investing in that, and also money, because if you're not using Wi-Fi, sometimes you might be forced to buy data to be able to access some of these apps for you to be able to work on them, right? So you have to weigh, is it making sense for me? Okay, so if it does make sense to you, then go ahead and try it, but let's not do too much and then just jump into the video. Okay, so let's get to it. So paid work, you can see from the, when I just googled that, you can see paid work is an app that claims to offer various ways to earn money online, such as watching ads, filling out surveys, playing games, and so on and so forth. So let's go in and check their rating. So this app is available on your Apple Store and also on your Google Play Store, so you can always check whichever phone you're using and then you'll be able to get the app. Okay, so I don't think I have been able to work on this before. However, I didn't get to the point of withdrawing, because for me it felt like I was spending so much time in here and the pay was just low. So if you're a patient person, then you'll be able to earn on this, but if you lack patience, you might have some struggle on this one. Okay, so make money online on the phone, computer, tablet, get paid wherever you are without investment. Okay, so like I said, you can get their app on Apple Store or also on Google Play Store. So their rating is 4.5 out of 5. So again, you have to go in and check the actual what are people saying about the app itself. Okay, so turn time into profit, the flexible solution. So in here you have to watch videos, you have to play games, and you do that by accumulating points. So the points will be able to be accumulated through now dollars, and then by that you'll be able to know how much money have you earned at the end of the week. So the benefits is paid work is a full-time and additional job for all people from every country. You can earn money on any device with access to the internet wherever you are. You will get paid for your time spent and engagement on the platform. Okay, so the money you earn is equivalent to the time you spend on the app. So you have to remember that. So if you put in a little time, then that will also equate to the money that you earn at the end of the day. And you'll be able to earn, so 100 points is equals to $1. Okay, 100 points is equated to $1. So you have to keep earning points by playing games. Remember, you have to install these games in your phone or in your tablet or in your desktop, and then you'll be able to play them, and then you continue accumulating points. So 100 points equates to $1. So let's see how it works. You can choose how you want to earn money by playing games, completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, or creating accounts. Okay, so by creating accounts, it means that you'll be able to be downloading more and more apps, whereby you have to create account from the apps that you download. They normally suggest, like, after playing a video game, then you'll see a pop-up of an app that you have to download and create an account on that. So I don't see why you should be doing that, because you'll be filling up your phone space really. But if it's a way that you're okay with doing and earning some money, I say go for it. Okay, the resources are: by completing simple tasks in just a month, you can earn up to $700 without any additional taxes or charges. However, there is no limit to your earnings. You decide how much you earn. So you can see in a month you can earn up to $700. However, remember, you have to do the work for you to earn this. So for you to earn $700, you have to multiply that by 100 to see how many points will you have earned for you to get to $700. So that will be like 70,000 points. Yeah, so yeah, you always have to do your math and see whether it's working. How can paid work help you? So increase your earnings. You have to set goals. How much money do you want to earn at the end of the day? So there's all that. So if you want to start making money, then you can register on paid work and start earning with them. However, like I have said before, you have to watch many videos. Some videos require you to watch a straight 7 days for you to be able to earn the points that they're saying, because I saw a video that was saying that you have to play it for 7 days for you to be able to earn 175 points. And for me, it didn't make sense why I had to play a video why I had to play a video game for a whole week for me to earn $1. That's a lot of time wasted for me, and that's how I ended up not earning money or getting to a point of withdrawing from this app. But if you're patient enough, there is money in there, and you can do it. Okay. So yeah, that's it for this video. Do let me know in the comment section whether this is an app that you've tried working on and how has it gone for you. Are you looking forward to start working on this? Okay, so thank you. Thank you, Bestie, for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this information was helpful to you. And don't forget to do further research on this before you hop in and start doing it. I'm just making you aware of this, like I said. So if this video was helpful to you in any way, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Share this with someone. That is how you help this channel to keep growing. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.